Hi, this is Tina of Craft Haven and welcome to my channel. I am so nervous and excited because this is the first time that you are going to hear me speak. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this cute origami candy. This orange candy is a 4 inches by 4 inches origami paper. But for the sake of this tutorial, I am using the standard size of 6 inches by 6 inches. So let's begin. First is to create a diagonal fold. And unfold it. Position your paper this way. Take the lower part of the paper and fold towards the center crease as shown. Now, repeat on the opposite side. Take the lower edge and fold upwards towards the center crease. Do the same on the opposite side. Your paper should look like this by now. You can see 2 diamond shapes on both sides of the paper. Take this end here towards the yellow line as shown. By now, you are now folding a thick pile of paper, so you might want to be a little careful with that. For the sake of this tutorial, I am going to use a pencil as a guide. I just created the first inner crease. Now repeat the previous step on the other side of the paper. This is going to be the second inner crease. Next step is to create one side of the paper and fold towards the opposite inner crease. Repeat this step on the other side of the paper. We just created 4 creases, 2 inner creases, and 2 outer creases. Fold the inner crease inward. And fold the outer crease outward. Repeat on the other side. It should look like this by now. This is going to be the bottom part of the origami candy. Flip the paper. On top of the origami candy, you are going to see a square-shaped fold. Fold inward one corner of the square as shown. Make sure to make a very good crease because this fold is going to be hard with all those folds. Open up that fold and make a reverse fold. This is how it should look like. Repeat this step on the other three corners. This looks perfect. Nice job. Now flip that paper and let's work on the other side of the candy. So I am making a guide here. Remember the diamond shape mentioned earlier? Now fold that inward into half. And do this on the other side. This fold turns into a rectangular shape. Now fold the right corner of the rectangle inward as shown. And work on the upper right corner. Repeat this step on the other side of the candy. Flip your candy and let's see the finished work. This looks so cute. The 6x6 origami paper looks like a origami ribbon or bow to me, more than a candy. That's why I prefer using the smaller sized paper. Nevertheless, it looks amazing. So what do you think? Like, share, and leave us a comment. I would appreciate your feedback. Thanks!